People are stupid. God dang. I had an appointment thing to check up on Sam stuff and I was so confused. They told me all the wrong stuff. Anyways, Tony's kind of home from work and dying from exhaustion. Now we're gonna go home.
Now we're gonna go to Best Buy.
Just kidding, going to Best Buy. To Best Buy. Whee! Tony has to, I guess, change cords out because he got the wrong cords again. Dipshit. You look guilty. What did you do? What did you do? On our way to the thingy-of-majigger, the BMX track. Oh, gotta go sit there with annoying people and loud children. Tony keeps littering goddamn cans in the back of my fucking truck.
I've actually only thrown one back there.
There's a bunch of Strongbow.
That's from the cans, the bags of cans you threw back there.
When?
When you were cleaning out my car or something? I don't know. I didn't throw them back there.
Your cans, though.
Yeah, but I didn't
Cleaning
put them
out
in your
my
truck.
car. My boyfriend litters his beer cans in my trunk. Or in my cab. Whatever you want to call it. Where the end of a truck is. Lol.
What do you want?
Ow, it was hot. It smells like bad milk. Ew. Ew, that smells horrible. Num num. Num 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 num. I ate it all already. Num num. I'm steaming milk. Whee! This is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun. It takes forever. Do 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 do. At least it's not screaming at me. I'd show you what it would do if it screamed at me, but I don't want to because it's bad and it's loud and it is obnoxious. And it needs to go quicker into the red. It's not ready yet. Oh, it's ready now, guys. Okay, Nugget Biscuits. Come on, Nugget Biscuits, get inside. You're just barking. Aaron, you're just barking. Bourbon, you too. Ugh, door. Cat. Cat. Whew, it's so... Oh, there's a bird. Is it gonna go? No, it's not gonna go in the bird feeder. Dang. Anyways, it's so, what's the word? Cloudy out. Yeah, that's the word. There were birds just chilling up on the wire. I think they want to go to the bird feeder. Oh, yay. When? Yay, birds on the bird feeder. With the birds on the bird feeder, we have created a audience. A deadly audience. Guys, you're not getting the parts. No. No, 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 no. Oh. The birds sound so angry. They're all like... And these fuckers. The cats are congregating. This is horrible. They're getting all down and hunkered and like wiggling their butts. It's like they expect to charge through that door. The birds are cleaning up the... Oh. Don't be a fool, bird. Cats look so... Karen, what are you doing? No rubbing. No rubbing. You always end up clawing me. Team Fortress 2. Yeah. Kitty. Okay.
We're all gonna die. What are you looking at? Go away. Fucking weirdos.
Where are we going, asshole?
Insane? Ow. We're at Taco Bell because it's cheap and we're hungry. And this guy looks rad. Look at him. He's like, Whiskey is such a softie. He needs 2 beds.
Can you see it in this darkness?
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, they think Whiskey's this big, tough, badass dog. He's not. He's probably the biggest baby I've ever met. That's true, unless you're a stranger, and then he'll eat you. Look at it. He's like, I have 2 beds. Ain't that right, Whiskey? You have 2 beds. You have 2 beds, huh? Huh, Whiskey? He doesn't like you guys. He doesn't know you. You're a stranger. Stranger danger.
We made a new game. I'm on the rolly chair. Bourbon, watch that! Bourbon! Oh, God, I'm running into dogs! Oh, I don't like the dizzy sometimes. Your turn. Playing. What are we playing? Day of Defeat.
Yeah, duty.
Sourced by Valve.
24/7 Charlie.
Wee. Still gaming. Still very much gaming. When I smack Whiskey on the butt, he grumbles. Oh, he leaves.
That's mine. You have my people. Give me back my people. Give me back my one-eyed people box.
Dogs are rude. Let go of the camera, you fool. Thank you.
So after playing far too much time on the computer, spending too much time playing too many games, obviously I played too much, I can't even talk. So yeah, we're gonna spend the rest of the night sitting here watching Jericho, and yeah, and then it's bedtime. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We are starting to play more video games, so maybe you guys can come join us. I hate you! Piss off.